Right, how's it going, guys? I just finished making the Python Crash Course Chapter 4 Example 1 video today, and I was looking at Example 2, and it's almost the exact same thing as this. So, just out of interest, I'm gonna get that out of the way now. It's gonna look almost exactly the same as this. So, we're gonna start a new file. We're going to save as PCC4 underscore exo2.py. I should know the drill by now. We're going to comment out our name and date. And then we're just going to start off with the list. And this time it's asking us to create a list of at least 3 different animals that have a common characteristic and store them so that we can use them for a for loop. So we're gonna call this animals in common list. And we're gonna start by calling this variable animals. That's gonna have a bird. Oops. Always forgetting my quotations. Bird. I have a fish. And then we're gonna have a dog. Just making simple. And so the first thing that this example wants us to do with this list is modify your program to print a statement about each animal, such as a dog would make a great pet. So we're gonna use for, like we did in the last example, for animal in, and is the second part of our for statement. For animal in animals, forgot colon, print, and we're gonna say a, then we're gonna do animal dot title, and then we're gonna close that out. Would make a great pet, just like the example asked us to do. So now when we save and run this code, we're going to navigate over to our folder where we have everything. We're going to run the code. Can I name that funny? Oh, I don't know why I spelled vital. Brain isn't working so well after work. You can probably tell. So now when we run that code, a bird would make a great pet, a fish would make a great pet, and a dog would make a great pet. So by now, you can probably tell what is the common factor. And the second thing this example wants us to do is add a line at the end of the program stating what these animals have in common. You could print a sentence such as any of these animals would make a great pet, which is exactly what we're going to enter. We're going to comment this one out just so that we know, even if it's painfully obvious. Output, or I should mark it as final output. All right. So we're going to print any of these animals would make a great pet. And actually, I'm gonna put this on a new line so that we can see it more clearly. So when we run this, we have finished our code for looping the second example in Python Crash Course Chapter 4. So this is a really simple, fast one. Shouldn't be very long. Should be about the same length as the last one. I'll see you guys in the next one where we go over example 3, where there's going to be a little bit more substance to what we do with loops.